Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn trigonometry tables. First, let's grasp the basics. You'll want to understand the 6 main trigonometric ratios: sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and cotangent. We'll concentrate on key angles such as 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. Knowing these foundational values is crucial for building your understanding and quickly recalling information. Now, let's dive into the essential values. Start by memorizing the sine and cosine values for 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90 degrees. For example, sine of 30 degrees is 1/2. Once you have these, remember that tangent is simply sine divided by cosine. Then, use the reciprocal identities. Cosecant is 1 over sine, secant is 1 over cosine, and cotangent is 1 over tangent. This method simplifies learning significantly. To make memorization easier, try some clever tricks. The left-hand rule is a fantastic visual aid for sine and cosine values, especially for 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90 degrees. Another effective strategy is to repeatedly write out a small table. Fill in all the values until you can do it without hesitation. Consistent daily practice will solidify these facts in your mind, making recall effortless. Finally, consistent practice is key to mastery. Solve a variety of problems that require using the trigonometric tables. This active recall will strengthen your memory and understanding. Try applying these concepts to real-world scenarios in geometry or physics. It truly helps solidify the knowledge. And hey, if you're looking to enhance your study environment, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll master these tables in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.